Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs. It's Tutorial Tuesday and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making a cloth organizer for our sewing tools. You can make different size compartments so you can use this project to fit your specific tools and your specific needs. It's an easy project that goes together super fast and it's great for beginners too. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com for my newest project ideas. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a written version of this project with the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. It's also where you'll find my full collection of digital sewing and crafting patterns that you can download and print at home, making it easy to get started on your next sewing project right away. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need a main fabric and a lining fabric, ribbon or cording, a marking pencil or painter's tape, and the optional rounded corner template. First, trim the fabrics to match. Place the lining fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the main fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align all the edges and use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. I like to use additional pins in the center of the fabric to keep it from shifting while stitching. If desired, use the rounded corner template to trim off the two top corners and make rounded edges. Stitch all around the piece using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and leave a space open for turning. Clip your corners, and if you made round corners, notch the curves. Turn the entire piece right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it. Then top stitch around the entire piece about 1/8 inch from the edge. With the lining on the inside and the longer edge of the fabric across the top, and if you have rounded corners, they'll be at the top too, fold the bottom edge up approximately 4.5 inches to form a big pocket, and press it. Use pins or fabric clips to hold the pocket in place. Secure the pocket to the holder by stitching the sides down over the previous top stitching. Then stitch across the bottom of the pocket 1/8 inch from the edge, and reinforce the pocket openings. Then fold the top edge down approximately 3 inches and press it. Then top stitch about 1/8 inch from the crease that's across the top of the holder. Use your own tools to determine the width best for your specific needs. Put the heavier tools on the right side of the organizer. Use a ruler and a marking pencil to make vertical lines for the compartments and stitch over the top of each of those marked lines to make those compartments. Or use painter's tape to use as a guide for stitching and stitch very close to the edge of the tape. When all your compartments are finished, on the right side of the holder, mark the midpoint. Then fold the ribbon in half and place the crease of the ribbon on the marking and stitch it in place. Place your tools inside, fold it up, and tie it up. And just like that, just that fast, you have a neat and tidy way to store your sewing tools. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.